Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna Scholars. The question of whether we are alone in the universe has fascinated humanity for centuries. The possibility of extraterrestrial life or aliens has sparked endless speculations, scientific inquiry, and even popular culture phenomena. While definitive proof of alien life remains elusive, various scientific endeavors and discoveries have provided intriguing clues that suggest we might not be alone in the cosmos. Here we will discuss some facts about the existence of aliens. Number 1. The Drake equation, developed by Dr. Frank Drake in 1961. The Drake equation estimates the number of advanced civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy with which humans might be able to communicate. The equation considers factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of those stars with planets, and the likelihood of life developing. While the exact number remains speculative, the equation suggests that the galaxy could host numerous civilizations. Number 2. Extremophiles on Earth. The discovery of extremophiles, organisms that can survive in extreme environments on Earth, such as deep sea hydrothermal vents, acidic hot springs, and the frozen tundra, has expanded our understanding of the potential for life in extreme conditions elsewhere in the universe. These resilient life forms indicate that life could exist in environments previously though uninhabitable. Number 3. Exoplanet discoveries. Since the 1990s, thousands of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system, have been discovered, many of which reside in the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist. Some of these planets, like those in the TRAPPIST 1 system, have generated significant interest as potential hosts for life. Number 4. The Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox, named after physicians Enrico Fermi, highlights the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of evidence for or contact with such civilizations. If intelligent alien life is common, why haven't we detected any signals or encountered any evidence of their existence? Number 5. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence SETI. SETI is an ongoing scientific effort to detect signals from extraterrestrial civilizations using radio telescopes. SETI research scans the skies for non-random structural signals that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. While no definitive signals have been found, the search continues, fueled by the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial intelligence. Number 6. The FAO signal. In 1977, astronomer Jerry R. Ehman detected a strong narrowband radio signal while working on a SETI project. The signal, dubbed the WOW signal, lasted for 72 seconds and have never been explained or replicated. While some believe it could have been a transmission from an alien civilization, there has been no conclusive evidence to support this claim. Number 7. Potential microbial life on Mars and moons. Recent discoveries have suggested that Mars may have once harbored liquid water, raising the possibility that microbial life could have existed there. Additionally, moons like Europa orbiting Jupiter and Enceladus orbiting Saturn have subsurface oceans beneath their icy crust, making them prime candidates in the search for alien life. While the existence of aliens remains unproven, the vastness of the universe, the discovery of exoplanets, and the resilience of life in extreme conditions on Earth suggest that the potential for extraterrestrial life cannot be dismissed. As scientific exploration continues, particularly with advancement in technology and ongoing missions to other planets and moon, we may one day uncover evidence that we are not alone in the universe. Alien, then the search for alien life remains one of the humanity's most profound and captivating quests.